we are going to be talking about the percent error. So the percent error is a measure of the difference between an estimate, prediction, or measurement and the actual value. For example, when I'm asking you what is the length of this, you will measure it like roughly, and you will say it's like 32 meters. And maybe it's not the right answer. If I will measure it using the meter tab, it will be like 30.7, for example. So there is a percent of the error. I need to calculate what is the percentage of the error. We will have a rule like the percent error equals the amount of the error will be the same, by the way, as the amount of a change. You will see now. Over the actual size. Over the actual size. Multiply this by 100. Why multiply this by 100? I will show by the end of this example. So let's look at the example here. Reham estimates that her school auditorium has a 660 seats. It actually has 750 seats. What is the percent error of the estimate? What we will need to do, as from the rule, guys, we need to calculate the amount of the error first. So the amount of the error will be 600 minus 750. Why? The same, guys, what we have done with the change percent. The start always, I'm estimating something, then we measure it. So when we estimate, there should be a real measurement with 750, and we estimate something like here, for example, 660, because more than one can estimate. So always we will subtract the real number from the estimation. So 660, the estimation, minus the real number, because we are calculating the error, or the amount of the error. It's a negative 90. Now, he will calculate the absolute value. By the way, if it's the absolute value, what do you think? Whatever what we will, like, let's say, start with the smaller or the bigger, by the end the number will be positive, right? Because here, he doesn't care whether it's increasing or decreasing. I want to find the error between the two numbers. So I don't care with the sign in this case. So in this case, if I will subtract whatever the answer is, we will do the absolute value and we will find the positive number. So again, we always start with the estimation, the prediction, minus the original thing, minus the original number. And whatever the result is, like it's a negative 90 here, use the absolute value. Why? Because we don't care with if it's increasing or decreasing, and this is the only difference between the percent error and the percent change. Now by the end, use the rule. I will put this 90 always over the original thing, like original price. Here it will be the original size or the actual value. So it's over 750. Multiply this by 100, it will be 0.12. 0.12 means I will change this to be 12%, which is 12% here. It's already very obvious. Or without multiplying by 100, it's a 12 over 100, which means 12%.